The second award for excellence goes to the City of Pendleton for its UAS drone range. Let's hear their story.
Pendleton City Council took an innovative approach to rural economic development when it established the Pendleton UAS drone range. With an investment of less than $500,000, the city developed a premier unmanned vehicle test range that has revitalized Pendleton's World War II-era airport, more than doubled the airport's average annual revenue, and created more than 60 high-paying aerospace jobs. First launched in the fall of 2013, the drone range was slow to develop, but it took off in 2016. It has attracted more than $5.5 million in grants and has become a major economic driver in the community. Airport ground and building rents are now nearly 6 times higher than they had been historically, and more buildings are under construction. For the first time in decades, the Eastern Oregon Regional Airport operates in the black, and the UAS range revenue will likely exceed $1 million this fiscal year, which was unfathomable just a couple of years ago. In addition, Blue Mountain Community College, Intermountain ESD, Pendleton High School, and Sunridge Middle School have all worked closely with the UAS range to create internships and new educational opportunities. Congratulations to the Pendleton City Council, winner of this year's Award for Excellence.
Here to accept the award for the City of Pendleton is Mayor John Turner.
It's with great pride that I accept this Award of Excellence on behalf of not only the City Council, but on behalf of all the citizens of Pendleton. We're entirely proud of what's going on up at our unmanned aerial vehicle test range. We've got major corporations from all over the world that are using our facilities as they learned that having a lot of empty sky and a lower cost of doing business makes them want to come here and work. And we're delighted to have the secondary and tertiary benefits of new jobs and people buying from us and using our stores and restaurants and that sort of thing. So if you come to Pendleton, you'll see the modern runway and modern facilities that we've worked very hard on. So again, thank you for this prestigious award.